DeWalt DCB248-3 right here, 8 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and 2 amp hour battery set. I believe that's a 2, yes it is. This is quite the deal. I'm going to tell you why coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and one of my DeWalt batteries died, and if you have these and look at the top, there's a date code on here. It's very clear. Mine was made in August of 2016. And yes, I know how to jump start these if they go completely dead, but when they get to the point where you put them on the charger, you don't even get a light. If you get just that solid glowing light, a lot of times you can jump start them. There's a lot of videos out there on how to do that off of another battery. This one is really just completely dead. So I needed to replace this, so I was going to just buy another one or maybe a 2-pack. Well, then I saw this. So you got the 8 amp hour, the 4 amp hour, which is what this one here is, plus the 2 amp hour for $179. Yes, these batteries are expensive, and it doesn't matter what platform you're on, they're expensive. I don't like the Chinese knockoffs because they don't last, they don't work well, so stick with the name brand. To buy just this battery, I believe was $159. To buy just this battery, the 8 amp hour alone, was $169. Well, I can get the whole set for $179. So if you're looking for a deal on DeWalt batteries and you're out somewhere and you see the DCB248-3 set like this, and it's at $179 or $169 or whatever, I'd grab it because it's quite the deal. That's just a little quick thing on my DeWalt battery deal I found here. Thought I'd pass it along to all of you on the DeWalt platform. Something to look for. As far as this big 8 amp hour one, that'll probably go on my circular saw. That'd be a little heavy to have on a drill. Got anything out of this? Appreciate getting a thumbs up. Helps the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.